Welcome. In this channel, we explain automotive terms. When you pull up to an ordinary gas station, you'll see multiple types of gasoline. The most common types are listed as regular, plus, and premium. To the casual observer, it might seem like premium is better. However, for most vehicles, regular gas is all you need. Different grades of gasoline contain different levels of octane. Octane is one of several hydrocarbon molecules in gasoline, and it's essential for every vehicle. Like other hydrocarbons, octane is flammable but more stable than the rest of your gasoline. Octane ratings are measures of fuel stability. These ratings are based on the pressure at which a fuel will spontaneously combust in a testing engine. The octane number, also known as the Anti-No index, is actually the simple average of two different octane rating methods, motor octane number and research octane number. The higher an octane number, the more stable the fuel. Retail gasoline stations in the United States sell three main grades of gasoline based on the octane level. Regular gas has the lowest octane level, typically at 87. Mid-grade gas typically has an octane level of 89. Premium gas has the highest octane levels and can range from 91 to 94. This stability is important because of the way an internal combustion engine works. Fuel and air are combined inside the cylinder and compressed during the piston's downstroke. When the mixture reaches maximum compression, the spark plug fires, which causes a small explosion and pushes the piston back up. Your car's owner's manual will tell you the minimum fuel octane level. It's best to use the type of fuel suggested by the manufacturer, whether they require it or simply recommend it. You'll reduce wear and tear on your vehicle, and it will perform better. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code eraser by clicking the link here or at the description link below. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.